Can you see yourself in the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.